All right, what's up? What's up? Here we are with another trading recap for July 7th, 2022. Today I'm finishing up $142. Traded 5 different stocks today. Mostly traded though AREB and USEA. USEA was trading under some random name today, some like Y2, 3, 400, 6, 2, something like that on the active activity and positions page, and it wasn't showing up on the area here on the active trader ladder, so which kind of spooked me a little bit. So I didn't know how many shares I was actually getting filled, and so that kind of spooked me from trading USEA in the morning, as it was trading under some random ticker symbol. And I think at some point I was short and long, back to short, because I didn't know how much I was getting filled. Here I had a partial fill here. Here I had like a couple partial fills, so it was very sketchy. But it did have a 1.5 million share float with some news, and it made a huge move, about 200% from yesterday's close to the high of today. I didn't end up trading until TOS kind of fixed the glitch on USEA after it made the majority of its move, about 50%. And then I went in for here I went for a first like 1 minute pullback here. However, it still is extended, so I took a quick scalp here, anticipating a further lower flush, and then I got back in for the break back over 7. And taking some off quite early, only a 4-cent winner on that. I was trading very small size in USEA, pretty much, only 100 to 200 shares. But this is where I made the bulk of my money here. Was up about maybe 125 at the end of pre-market. Here I was anticipating an ABCD pattern. Here we got a dip below 7, super strong. Here, however, I was only holding 100 shares, but I got 10 cents, which is solid. If I did get in a bigger position size, this could have been a decent winner. So definitely got to get back into slinging a little bit bigger size. But the market is still a little bit unpredictable, a little bit choppy at times. So here we had a little bit of false breakout, huge flush, and then it curled back up, which I did. Here I went for try to go for a breakout, but did get stalled up here, so I took about a break even. Then we got that dip, and I actually got partial fill here at 757, and then sold at 777. Or no, here I was at 757, and then looking for that curl back up. I saw a lot of buyers off the 90 MA. It was kind of hugging the 90 MA, curling back up, and then I added 450 shares for the break of back over this flush candle here at 785. Took some profits at 772, and then the rest at 788. So that was a really solid trade. I think that was my best trade of the day. I think that was about a 30-cent winner. So about 5%. But if I did have a bigger share size, I mean, I had about $3,000 position size at the highest. So I think, if I could get that up to $5,000 position size, that would have been a nice $250 winner. So here, I went for the break of $8, and then here again for some $8 support, a couple of scalps in there. And then from here, I went for a dip here underneath the 90 MA, anticipating some support to come in, which it did come in, however, kind of a little bit slow to come in. So I did shake myself out a little bit early here on half of my position, and then sold the rest of half in profit. So I was about break even at the end of that. Then we had a consolidation here, and then coming back up into the breakout level. I was looking for that breakout, got it, but it was a false breakout, and then ended up ripping up, and then having another huge rejection candle. Here I got like a quick dip here for a quick scalp, about 5 cents winner there. Then here at the open, I was looking for a break back over 8 and a run maybe for a test to the highs. But we never really got that here at the open. So in the end, I only think I got maybe 20 cents on 100 shares, which is not bad. Quick 20 bucks there. And then here I lost 10 bucks here, looking for this candle to rip through 8, but didn't happen. Then here off the lows, I was accumulating off the lows here, maybe to see some quick rip back through, but it didn't happen as quick as I liked, so I did take it off for about a break-even trade. Then we did end up getting that red to green, but I wasn't looking at it. And then here it curled back up, so I thought, maybe we could rip back through 9, rip over 889 and up to through 9. So I did buy at 829, taking some profits. Again, lighter share size, only 50 shares now, so I'm only in $400 position size. It's very, very small. Because I was a little bit spooked after all of these flushes. So, but here's that quick 10 cents. Here I went for a dip, got another 10 cents or so. Here another scalp for it. Wow, this is 20-cent winner. And here again another 15-cent winner. Or no. Here 130. No, this is partial loss here. 100, so about a 20-cent loss on 100 shares, and then a 20-cent winner on 50 shares. So about break even actually there. And then a small winner here on this quick scalp there. So all in all, I was really looking for this bounce off the 9 EMA and then a rip back up through 889, but didn't end up happening. If I did do a little bit bigger share size, today could have been like a $300 day. I think, if I was up to doing 250 share positions, that would be about around a $2,000 position size. And I think I could be up. I think I'm up about 10% on my average position size, because I'm up 141. I don't think I had my position bigger than maybe about $1,500 position size on any of these trades, except this one here. But I think on average, I think I was still around 1,500. And that was it for USEA. And then FFIE, we did take a couple of trades here. I did go for sort of a scalp here on this breakout, but it was a false breakout. Then I waited I had a 5-minute consolidation back towards the VWAP. I did try to get off the lows here, but it didn't really bounce as much as I'd like. I took about a $20 loss at the end of that. Then Grove was also moving. This one was huge spreads, very hard to trade. Here I got a couple of scalps, but I think I was red on it. Yeah, I read about 10 bucks on it. Here I took a loss here on the spread. Here again, a small winner. Grove was very hard to trade because of the spreads. It was like a 10-cent, 12-cent spread at times. It was very hard to manage your risk. IINN was another one we traded. Here, quick scalp here through the high. Couple cent winner. Nothing much there, about $3 profit. And AREB, I had a nice $43 profit on AREB. Here I got a scalp through the $0.50 psychological resistance after I saw a huge run up here pre-market at 9 o'clock. Then I wanted to go for a potential continuation, so I was kind of getting in off the lows here, taking some profits quick. Here again, taking profits quick. Dumped down below VWAP. I did try to buy the dip here at 48, see if we could get a rip back up to 60, 160, but did end up flushing and holding down below VWAP. Here I thought at the open we could see a retest of the highs. So I did get in at 42 for the break back over to VWAP, and I did take about 2-cent gain on that, 750 shares, so about $1,000 position size. So that's not too bad there. And then here again, I got in at 149 for a break back over 150 and maybe a run up to 160 and 170. But we did break back below the VWAP, and I took that off for about a scratch trade there. Then here again, we were curling back up through the VWAP, had a little bit of red to green. I wanted to see a bigger, huge move, maybe a short squeeze through 150, but just didn't have the power in it. and I did taking a couple scalps here, about 3 very small winners, and then finished that ticker up $45. So all in all, between UC, I made 125, mostly pre-market. I don't think I made anything after the open on USEA. So between that and AREB and IINN, I'm up 142 on the day. So not terrible. Nice, solid base hit kind of day. That's just the kind of attitude that I'm having for these summer months. It's just been very slow. And if the market does keep giving us sort of consistent action, at least something every day, then I will definitely be happy. And when I feel momentum coming back and I'm still like kind of on a good streak, then I'm going to start pushing on the gas a little bit harder, sizing up, and I'm going to try to start to inch into some territories that I have not yet gotten to. So maybe about $5,000 position size, $7,500 position size for average. Right now I'm around 3,000, 2,000 to 3,000 on a bigger day. So I really want to increase that a lot. So on a 10% day, my 10% days will be, instead of 3,500 or 300, a good day will probably be, for 10%, it would be probably around 500 for a solid day. And that's where I'm looking to get to. But I'm going to need definitely a good hot streak going and some solid momentum and some continuation that's going to last for a couple days to kind of boost my confidence a little bit. Because in this market, it's just very hard to get that confidence to size up into a trade, because a lot of these trades are just quick scalps. I mean, you don't get that continuation move. You don't get to size into a big winner very often in this market. And so really the best strategy has just been getting in and getting out for a couple cent winner, not really sizing up. So hopefully that market does come back, though. Maybe this month. We'll see something next month. I hope that the slowest days are behind us and we start seeing some better action. So that's it. If you guys are still watching right now, there's a Discord link below for a link to our chat room with a bunch of traders, so you can learn and study with us. So there's always somebody in there chatting about trading, so definitely give a peek into that. Also, I do have a link for Trade Journal as well, which is a platform for documenting your trades. It's all completely free, so definitely take that, give a look at that. And I think that's it. So see you guys tomorrow for the next day trading recap. All right, peace.